Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets perfection and dreams turn into architectural reality. Today, we take you inside one of the most stunning properties in the heart of Boca Raton, Florida, a masterpiece valued at an extraordinary $29,950,000. From the very first glance, this waterfront estate captures the imagination and defines modern elegance. The cinematic drone view unfolds the story of a mansion that blends tropical beauty with architectural brilliance. As we descend over the lush green palms and sparkling waters, the house emerges like a private island, a symbol of success and serenity. The grand entrance sets the tone with sleek lines, towering columns, and a breathtaking glass facade that reflects the Florida sun. Every corner of this residence whispers luxury, precision, and purpose. Stepping inside, you're immediately surrounded by an aura of sophistication, soaring ceilings, crystal chandeliers, and walls of glass that flood the space with natural light. The open-concept living area is both dramatic and inviting, with panoramic views of the intracoastal waters that stretch endlessly across the horizon. Every design element here speaks of craftsmanship, from the fine marble floors to the curated artwork and custom furniture. This isn't just a home. It's a private world where every detail has been shaped to perfection. The gourmet kitchen, a centerpiece of this estate, is equipped with the finest professional-grade appliances, a marble island large enough to entertain guests, and cabinetry that combines function with flawless design. The dining space offers a perfect balance between intimacy and grandeur, ideal for family gatherings or elegant soirees. Moving through the mansion, each room unfolds like a new chapter of beauty. The master suite redefines comfort and class, a private retreat with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking calm blue waters, a sitting lounge that opens to a terrace, and an ensuite bathroom that feels like a world-class spa. Imagine soaking in a freestanding tub while watching the sunset paint the sky in shades of gold and pink. The bathrooms throughout the mansion feature imported marble, sleek fixtures, and ambient lighting that turns daily routines into moments of relaxation. The TV lounge brings warmth and connection to this expansive space, designed for comfort with a touch of modern minimalism. Every inch of this mansion combines high-end design with homely comfort. The glass staircase curves gracefully upward, connecting each level like a sculptural masterpiece. Upstairs, additional bedrooms offer panoramic water views, private balconies, and smart home automation at your fingertips. The entire property is powered by a fully integrated Crestron system and a full-house natural gas generator, ensuring comfort, security, and luxury 24/7. Fitness enthusiasts will love the private gym, perfectly positioned with a pool view to inspire every workout. And speaking of the pool, step outside to discover an outdoor paradise that feels like a five-star resort. The Infinity Edge pool seems to merge with the horizon, framed by palm trees and soft ocean breezes. It's a place for sunrise swims, sunset cocktails, and endless relaxation. The outdoor lounge and dining area are designed for ultimate entertainment, with ambient lighting, modern fire features, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Every angle of this property reveals another layer of artistry, from the 6-car garage and gated motor court to the flawless landscaping that surrounds the estate. This isn't just a residence, it's a statement of lifestyle and legacy, crafted with the vision of SRD Building Corp., known for creating some of the most exceptional homes in South Florida. Built in 2022, this signature estate spans over 10,600 square feet of living space on a 0.56-acre waterfront lot with 124 feet of prime intracoastal frontage. Its southeast exposure fills every morning with golden light, while the design ensures complete privacy and tranquility. At American Dream Mansions, we take pride in bringing you the most exclusive estates across the United States, homes that inspire, impress, and ignite your imagination. This Boca Raton masterpiece is more than just a luxury property, it's the realization of an American dream, a space where architecture, art, and nature coexist in perfect harmony. If you dream of living where elegance meets the ocean, this is your destination. Don't forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more cinematic tours of extraordinary homes across America, where every video takes you closer to your dream lifestyle.